Our curious kitten spots a strange glowing flower and steps closer to examine it. He leans in for a gentle sniff, and the flower suddenly releases a huge magical sneeze that blasts him backward in a swirl of petals. He tumbles across the grass like a fluffy orange snowball, rolling until the petals settle around him. Meanwhile, the frog approaches the same flower with total calm. He sniffs it, and the flower gives a tiny, harmless puff of petals. The frog doesn't move at all, and there sits our kitten, covered in petals, silently wondering why the flower sneezed only at him.